conventional healing frameworks and the requirement for medical plans. As such, knowledge about patients' therapy preferences can assist to develop healthcare delivery. During the previous decades, common interest in natural remedies has elevated extremely in industrialized countries, with developing usage of herbal drugs and medical plants. The estimate of these manufacturers and assuring their efficacy and safety through registration and regulation offer substantial challenges. The development of the pharmaceutical manufacture and the continuous expansion of modern and more functional biological and synthetic medical manufacturers has not reduced the significance of medical plants in numerous communities. On the contrary, people expansion in the improving universe and growing benefit in the manufacturing countries have extremely developed the requirement for medical plants themselves and as well the manufacturers obtained from them. However, knowing why and in which conditions communes choose to depend on herbal therapies can develop the goodness of nursing and advice policies pursued at promoting patient integrity and patient-concentrated care. Numerous health messages offered to adolescents and children are not so much incomprehensible or imprecise as they are purely unrelatable and inauthentic to self-perception and identity. Medical herbs as possible origin of therapeutics aids has gained a considerable function in health framework all over the universe for both animals and humans, not only in this situation but also as raw material for keeping appropriate health. Designing the biological activity characteristics of plants utilized in conventional medicine is useful to the rural societies and unofficial settlements. Developing countries carry on to depend on conventional healing frameworks partly because of cultural exercise and priorities, as well as restricted entrance to other medicinal options. The higher price or side effect profile connected with modern medications or the disability of recent drugs to treat efficiently with chronic degenerative cases.